Hey, that's cheap. That's no fair, huh? That's that training for you, Parks 5th Avenue. Yes, little hit it backflips. Hear that dog barking, he says, come on, Mom, throw that disc for me. Look at that balance, watching Mom go around. Yes. Mike says, come on, Mom, please, throw me that disc. Here we go, time begins. Yes. Whoa, end over end, nice. Backing up on hip hop, nice job. Woo. 2-finger throw down the other way, tough in the way, come on, Sly. Man, I was like a line drive, this dog don't miss. Oh, backflips. Nice. Good job. Hey, trust me, if these dogs miss, it's 99% time the owner's fault for throwing. These dogs are professionals. Back the other way. Come on, Sight. Yes! Under the leg. Nice hard throw. Sight says, got it. Hey, folks, that move is coming up, so if you got cameras, you want to get them ready. Got about 35 seconds left. A little around the world for you. In your face. Nice job, Sight. Sight says, you're not going fast enough. All right, get them cameras ready, folks. Here it comes. He can do this end over end, complete black flip off her hip if he can get it. Yes, how about that, folks? Wow. Man, can we see that one more time? We got about 15 seconds. Back the other way. Nice job. 5 seconds left. Yeah, oh man, this wind is carrying her up. Nice job, Sight. Come on, how about a round of applause?